people like nature, and people find peace and engage in nature. So all of us benefit from that.
Right now there are a lot of threats to that natural world. We're going to lose a lot of this biodiversity, this freshwater resource, if we don't take responsibility for it and try to protect it.
We're more what we call environmentalist, you know, and we want a clean, pristine earth.
And you don't come across these things anymore like this.
When you have a huge parcel of ground like this with woods and water and farmland and open space, it's irreplaceable.
There is still a lot of work to do.
Who doesn't want to create a legacy?
We're over 10,000 acres of protected land. We've also placed a little over 100 conservation easements.
As land protection director, I help work with landowners to conserve their property. We also do farmland conservation, making sure that farmers have access to affordable lands.
My great-great-great-grandfather started the generation of Irwins living on this farm, and it has passed directly from father to son for 6 generations, and my daughters will be generation number 7.
Mike and Diana Arnold own a beautiful fen out in Jackson County.
Ours is one of the few fens left in Michigan. It's a special ecosystem, and it has some of the rare animals and plants in it. We ran into Susan, and we kind of hit it off real good. So she's the main reason why we decided to protect the property.
When I started at U of M, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with myself. During my freshman year, my grandfather passed away, and that helped me see that I wanted to carry on his legacy that he's worked on.
The University of Michigan is about making knowledge accessible and actionable for positive change. It's not just about teaching it, it's about doing it. And here's where someone like Susan makes a huge difference.
My degree at SEAS, or Program in the Environment, helped me get to where I want to be in my career to work in environmental conservation. Ultimately, I would like to be able to follow my grandfather's footsteps and truly continue on the legacy that he started.
I'm very proud of her, and I think my husband would really be proud.
That is the kind of leadership that's going to matter to our world's resiliency and our ability to confront crises in the ways that make us the most human.
I want to ensure that children growing up now or in 50 years also have those green spaces to get out and explore the world and learn about environmental conservation themselves.
We want to see this beauty passed on, and passed on sustainably, both ecologically and financially.
It definitely feels like we're part of a bigger story, part of a bigger plan, and we just love the fact that we're going to be able to leave something behind.
I am able to give back to the environment that I have been able to find peace in.